Hello our art friends. Today in Kitty Kanjo we are going to learn how to draw Pom Pom from Bluey. So grab your art supplies and let's start drawing. First, draw a large oval shape for the eye. Then draw half a circle inside, in the top left corner, and color it to complete the eye. Draw the nose part, and the triangular shape for the nose inside. Then color it, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Then draw the mouth with the teeth and tongue inside. Draw the second eye the same as the first one, just make it partially hidden behind the nose part.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Draw a thick eyebrow over each eye. Draw two small curved lines connected to each other over each eyebrow, looking like a part of a cloud. Then draw a triangular shape for the ear on top of each one. Then another smaller triangular shape inside. To draw the body, make a few curved lines connected to each other, making the shape of a circle around the face features to make it look like a big cloud. For the tail, draw two small curved lines connected to each other on the right side of the body. On the left side of the body, draw two lines coming out to make the arm. Then draw four little fingers to make the hands. To finish the hand, draw a small curved line in the palm. Inside the body, under the right eye, make two small curves, then draw the second arm, coming down from it. Draw three little fingers to finish the hand. For the leg, draw two lines coming down from the bottom of the body, the right one being longer than the left one. Then finish the leg with the paw, with two curved lines inside for the toes. Repeat the same steps to make the other leg. Super cute! Now you can draw Pom Pom! So grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. I'm sure it's going to be amazing! To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some part of the drawing. Did you have fun drawing Pom Pom? I know we had!
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.